Perspective Plan 2041, the Vision 2041. Bangladesh is a developing country. It's being developed gradually. For its gradual development, the government has fixed some visions. First perspective plan was Vision 2021 and the second is Vision 2041. The second perspective plan 2021 to 2041 will be marked as an important document for the next 20 years. Though this perspective plan, Bangladesh will rise to the rank of high middle income country by 2031 and a high income country by 2041. Bangladesh will face several challenges in implementing Vision 2041, such as the negative effect of climate change, the spread of corruption, increasing political instability, skilled and quality labor, weak communication structures, lack of quality education, etc. If Vision 2041 is implemented by addressing all these challenges, Bangladesh will be a self reliant, prosperous, and developed golden Bangladesh. Therefore, we must all come forward to help the government make Vision 2041 a success. Metro Rail. Metro rail is a rapid railway system. It is also called rapid transit system. It saves time and money for passengers living in big cities. The Dhaka Metro Rail was a dream project for Dhaka city dealers. Passengers can travel about 20 km in 40 minutes because this rail runs very fast. Steel or concrete is used to make a metro rail system. The government of Bangladesh has started building a metro rail system in Dhaka city. The aim is to save people from traffic jams. This project is a remarkable work of the current government. Dhaka is a populated country and traffic jams have become unbearable. With the launch of this Line 6 metro rail service, it will be able to carry 60,000 passengers per hour. The length of the Dhaka metro rail is 21.26 km with 16 stations from Uttara to Motijhil. The metro rail has a significant impact on the economy of Bangladesh because it will save Taka 200 billion every year. Metro rail is an environment-friendly transport system as it's run by electricity. The Dhaka Metro Rail is one of the most important projects in the history of Bangladesh. It provides convenience to millions of commuters who live in the capital city. Metro Rail was inaugurated on 28 December 2022. Metro Rail is a major milestone in the development of Bangladesh and a source of national pride. It's a symbol of the country's progress and its bright future. Padma Bridge. The Padma Multipurpose Bridge is a dream come true for Bangladesh. This bridge is one of the Padma River in Bangladesh. It is the largest bridge in Bangladesh. It is the largest bridge in Bangladesh.